Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 6, so we need to divide both sides by number 6. So this one we change for u. X to the power of 5 dx we change for this one. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.